This is part 3. In this video, I will explain the worksheet. This is the worksheet meanings. Prepare for the FA2 exam. This is a pattern also in the question paper. The first one is meanings. First Roman. Meanings. Laughed at. What is the meaning here? Mock. M-O-C-K. Mock. Next. Upset. Disturb. D-I-S-T-U-R-B. Disturbed. Okay, Nana? Next, unfair. Not right. Not R-I-G-H-T. Right. Unfair. Not right. Part. To separate from. To S-E-P-A-R-A-T-E. Separate from. F-R-O-M. From. To separate from. Next, trust. Push. P-U-S-H. Push. Okay, now see here. Laughed at. Mock. Upset. Disturb. Unfair. Not right. Part. To separate from. Trust. Push. These are the meanings. Our second Roman is opposites. In your question paper also, the second Roman opposites. What is the first one here? Expect. What is the opposite word here? Unexpect. Un. Same expect in the same with the spelling right. E-X-P-C-T. Unexpect. Unfair. Fair. F-A-I-R. Fair. Unfair. Fair. Cold. Hot. True. False. F-A-L-S-E. False. Expect. Unexpect. Unfair. Fair. Cold. Hot. True. False. Goes. Comes. C-O-M-E-S. Comes. These are the 5 opposite words. And the next third Roman is questions and answers. Question and answers. What is the first question here? What did Rohini decided to do? What did Rohini decided to do? Tell me, children. Yes. Rohini decided to teach him a lesson. In the revision class, I told already. And now see here. Rohini decided what he decided to teach him a lesson. Very good. See here again. Rohini decided to teach him a lesson. Rohini decided to teach him a lesson. Next, second one. How long did the poor man remain in water? How long did the poor man remain in water? How long? Yes, till the sun rose. Now see here the answer. The poor man, T-H-E, the poor, P-O-O-R, poor man remained, the poor man remained in water, till the sun rose. Till the sun rose. See here, the poor man remained in water till the sun rose. See here the third question. Who are Nalini and Shekhar? Who are there? Yes, very good. Nalini and Shekhar are Michael's cousin. Nalini and Shekhar. Writing Nalini, N-A-L-I-N-I. Nalini and Shekhar. S-H-E-A K-A-R. Shekhar are Whose? Yes, Michael's cousins. Michael's cousins. Michaels. Michael's cousin. Cousins. Cousins. See here, Nalini and Shekhar are Michael's cousins. The question, where does Michael's uncle live? Where they are living? Yes, they lived in Mumbai. See here, Michael, Michaels. Michael's uncle lived in Mumbai. 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 Michael's uncle lived in Mumbai. Fifth one. How much did the Lord pay to the blacksmith? How much money Lord paid to the blacksmith? Yes, very good. $1. The Lord paid the $1 to the blacksmith. The Lord paid $1, $1 to the blacksmith, blacksmith. The Lord paid $1 to the blacksmith. See here, sixth question. What did the Lord's wife say to the Lord? Lord's wife em cheptundi? Yes. The Lord's wife said to the Lord that try to learn the blacksmith work. The Lord's wife said to the Lord. The Lord's wife said to the Lord that what? Said to the Lord that try to learn the blacksmith work. See here, Nana. The Lord's wife said to the Lord that try to learn the blacksmith work. Roman, fill in the blanks. Here we have to fill the blanks. The merchant dash how unfair he had been. What the merchant was? Realized. Right here the spelling realized. R-E-A-L-I-S-E-D. Realized. The merchant realized how unfair he had been. Next, second one. Rohini's father had been dashed by the greedy merchant. Yes, very good. Cheated. C-H-E-A-T-E-D. Cheated by the greedy merchant. Next, the iron dash thinner and thinner. The iron became thinner and thinner. Became B-E-C-A-M-E. Became thinner and thinner. So the Lord dash visiting the smithy. So the Lord began to visiting the smithy. B-E-G-A-N. Began visiting the smithy. Next, fifth one. The merchant did not dash to part with so much money. The merchant did not wish. W-I-S-H. Wish to pay with so much money. Next, sixth one. The Lord dashed the coachman to call the blacksmith. Ordered. O-R-D-E-R-E-D. Ordered the coachman to call the blacksmith. See here again I am repeating. The merchant realized how unfair he had been. Next, Rohini's father had been cheated by the greedy merchant. Next, the iron became thinner and thinner. So the Lord began visiting the smithy. The merchant did not wish to part with so much money. The Lord ordered the coachman to call the blacksmith. These 6 are the fill in the blanks. Complete the table. Fifth Roman, complete the table. First person, second person, third person. Okay, here we have to write the second person and third person. Here, heard, heard. This past and past particle both the same only. Now H E A R D, heard. Here also same that H E A R D, heard. Next, decide, decided, decided. D E C I D E D, decided. Next, here also D E C I D E D, decided. Laugh, laughed, laughed. L A U G H E D, laughed. Here also L A U G H E D, laughed. Remain, remained, remained. R E M A I N E D, remained. R E M A I N E D, remained. Surprise, surprised, surprised. S U R P R I S E D, surprised. S U R P R I S E D, surprised. Point, pointed, pointed. P O I N T E D, pointed. P O I N T E D, pointed. These are the, what is this? Yes, second person and third person. Here in the exam I will give the first person words. You have to write this both. Okay, this is the fifth Roman. Next, see here the sixth Roman, matching. Last Roman, matching. Next, see here, what is this? Speak, move, sleep, examine. Here, carefully, soundly, loudly, slowly. Speak, what is that? Speak loudly. Okay, here write C. Speak loudly. Move slowly. Move slowly. Next here, D. Sleep soundly. Here, B. Examine carefully. Okay, Nana, this is the first matching. Again, here is the second one. See. Near. Near means what? Close. Right here. B. Reach. Reach means arrive. D. Happy. Happy means glad. Got. Receive. Here. See. See here, Nana. To match the followings are there. No, this is first one. This is second one. Practice this both. Okay. I will give only one. Okay children, up to now we completed the classwork in first video, textbook grammar in second video, and in this video we finished the practice sheets. That means worksheet we finished. Okay Nana, practice that worksheet also. Compulsory have to see the video. The oral test I will ask the hard words also. Prepare that hard words also. Okay Nana, thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you children, and also all the best for your FA2 exams.